How can an accordion complement guitar licks? Is the question today. We're here with Adam again. Hello, Adam.
Hello.
Thank you for joining. We're going to use the song Minor Swing by Django Reinhardt to explain what does the accordion do to complement the guitar, especially around guitar licks and guitar fills. Can we just play that part, that ba 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 da ba, when there's that space? What does the accordion do? What do we do with space? I'm going to rephrase the question of how can the accordion complement licks to what do we do when there's space in music and we're playing with someone else? Can you show the example of what you do when you're alone when you do that?
With this
I'll
melody,
do it alone.
For sure. So the melody goes. Sometimes I just play a little drum beat.
Yeah. Can you complete it? Can you do a little fill there?
Yeah.
A little walk
With a
down.
little bass
Can you
line.
give another example of a lick in there?
Let's see.
So Adam is eating up the space nicely, gently, as nicely as you can. Sometimes it's nice to go up. There's an expectation of, and it's nice to leave it blank. If I was to play that song, right, I don't know. I'm gonna eat up the space. So it's eating up the space in as nice a way as you can, using 4 to 5 notes that make sense in that key. What do we do when we're together? To answer a student's question, how does an accordion complement the lick, the fill? So let's do it 2 or 3 times.
Sure.
And then we'll discuss what we're doing.
Want me to play a little fill, melodic fill in that space, and you'll do something with it? Okay.
And maybe we'll also do it where, I guess, to speak before we even do it, I don't enjoy taking the lead very much. So in my mind, I'm going to leave the space free for Adam to do a lead. He might say that, communicate non-verbally, for me to take the lead, in which case I'll do some sort of lick in E7. But in my mind, I'm leaving space, which means I'll do a chord on my left hand and or a chord on my right hand to fill that space, to leave that space. But let's play a few times that. It's an A minor, D minor, A minor, D minor, A minor, E. If you want to play along at home. Yeah, count it in.
Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So we're looping over that section.
Yes.
Super cool. What can we do to complement the lick? In the last one, we both played at the same time, and it felt like it got muddy. Adam was trying to say something gentle, and I was also trying to say something maybe not as gentle, but if we both try and play at the same time, unless we're in harmony, unless we're playing the same kind of thing, it gets muddled.
It's like people talking over each other. You know?
Totally.
Yeah. It's
right?
like, usually, we wait to hear what the person has to say, we respond, but if we start talking over top of each other, no one can hear anything. Do you want to do an example?
Really well
Should we
said.
talk
Yeah, let's
over
both
top?
take
Okay.
something without any preparation. I don't know the song.
Okay.
1, 2, and you know what to do. Wasn't bad. We both said something. It was hard to discern the lick, the fill. There are so many popular licks, fills, riffs that we could all repeat if we had to. But when 2 people speak at the same time, it's hard to discern what it is clearly. So to answer John's question, the student's question, what do I do as an accordion player to complement the fill, the lick, the melody that's being taken, is I give it space. I give it space by hitting that E, ba, 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 da, ba, right? By being rhythmic, by playing the chord, by not taking the melody. I can also answer it the other way. What do I do to take away from the fill, lick, melody? I say something melodically. Instead, I could do left hand only. Good. I could do the same thing with my right hand. It's just doing the chord in rhythm. I could do both. Minimal movement.
Nice. And it's like what you mentioned earlier about if I give you a nod. Like there's been times before where we're playing, we might lose something like that 3 times.
Yeah.
And then someone in the band decides to just nod at someone and say, you take the fill this time, right?
Yeah.
Through that nod.
And everyone sees that little movement. I remember Connie with a clarinet doing that.
Or bass player, you know?
Yeah.
Look at the bass player. He goes, you know?
And we're all just doing that. Sometimes drummer takes a solo. Everyone just sometimes hits the...
Yeah, exactly.
Just little hits, yes. And so it's so much about communication, but the idea is create space for the person that's taking the fill, the lick, the melody. Yeah, I hope that answers the student's question. Please ask more questions. Thank you.
And even just the way you're accompanying for the melody. You were kind of accenting those rhythms too. It's really nice. Yeah, it was making it more interesting for me. Do you know what I mean? Like,
yeah,
that's
a little bit long.
So yeah, you're filling that space in there, which is nice. You know, like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Versus too static.
Makes it more interesting for sure. Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. Really cool song example too.
Yeah, it's a great one.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks, John.